go, guys. This is Juvelen at Djurs Sommerland. My number 300 roller coaster. Very excited. This is an Intamin launched coaster. We're sitting on the bikes. 85 kilometers per hour and Denmark's longest roller coaster. Get ready, guys. Here we go. Tire lock. Okay, great start. I just hold on to my hat. Woo! Okay, launch again. I'm gonna hold on to my hat here. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wow! Woo! This is a really good roller coaster. This is not what I expected. Wow! I want to ride this back row later on.
Oh yeah. Without my hat.
Wow! I am...
Gosh.
Wow! That was a great number 300. That was great.
That was amazing.
Wow! There you go, guys. Juvelen at Djurs Sommerland. I don't remember what roller coaster after that. Yeah, it was number 5. Really fun. That was awesome. Woo.